I'm Kaitlyn, and this is my RT lookbook.
Please remember my name, 'cause since I saw you I have not been the same. I can't remember who I am anymore, and when you're rumbling I am down on the floor. Move like lightning, left like thunder. Oh, please remember this face, 'cause since I saw you, well, I just can't erase the shaking feeling and the vision of you. And I'm not sleeping, I don't know what to do. Move like lightning, act like thunder. Please remember this voice, 'cause since I saw you, well, I just have no choice. I wake up early and I'm praying for rain, 'cause when it's pouring you'll be coming again. Move like lightning, act like thunder.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's not even a word. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I want to know what your RT lookbooks look like. So go ahead and leave a video response or send me a picture. Feel free to tag me on the RT site. I'd love to see your outfits, and I'd love what you think of my outfit. So leave a comment down below, and you know, do the things that you're supposed to do on YouTube videos. You already know, like the like and the subscribe or whatever. I'm like in the splits right now because I'm not actually this short, so I'm gonna go now. Thanks guys.